My name is Tyler Shaw, and I'm the Construction Program Coordinator at Rebuilding Together Tampa Bay. We're a nonprofit that provides free home repairs for income-eligible homeowners. Right now, we're focusing a lot on disaster relief. So the brothers that just do gutters reached out to us, and they were looking for a homeowner that needed some gutters, and we had just done Mr. McLaughlin's home, and there was a lot of runoff from the roof that was creating craters by the foundation, so we thought he was the perfect homeowner. So the brothers that just do gutters offered their services and ended up being a perfect match.
When I first spoke to Sean, the homeowner, he had bought vinyl gutters from a DIY store, and I told him, to just go ahead and take those back because we were going to be installing a nice aluminum seamless gutter system for his whole house, and obviously he wouldn't be needing the other ones.
We are honored to help veterans like we did today, help them to protect their homes from future storm damage and get them prepared. It just means a lot to us to get out into the community and give back, because Tampa Bay has such a great sense of community, and it means a lot to us to participate in that.